What's up, people? Welcome. I hope all of you guys are doing good, taking care of yourselves. What is up? How is life? How is everything going? I hope you're having a fantastic day. I just need to see your chat. Unfortunately, I'm not able to see your chat at this point of time. All right, people. So, what is up? All good? Yes. Hello, G. What's up? Hello. Hi, Invincible. Lincoln G. What's up? Hi, Ankita. Hi, Science Lab. What is up? All good? How is your day so far, people? I'm hoping that, your preparations are going good and you're taking care of yourselves. By the way, how many of you guys were there in yesterday's session? How many of you guys saw Abhishek sir in the spaceship? Yeah. How many of you guys were there? Yeah, you guys got a chance to see how Abhishek sir would have been if he was an astronaut. Yeah, you guys saw that? Yeah. All right. Yes, people. So exciting stuff is going on out there at this point of time in Vedantu. I'll tell you more about that later. For all those who have not attended it, you've missed something really huge. But don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll get through that as well. But before all of that, I'm here for a surprise test. I'm going to ask you a couple of questions from magnetic effects of electric current again to check how many of you guys are prepared with your term 2 examination. So all of this would be a method or a way to check your level of confidence and more importantly your level of preparations and nothing else. So don't think of this this session as something which is going to drain your energy or something like that. Don't think about it like that, because it's just a way to practice and to make yourself better. So people, can I get a oh yeah in the chat box if you guys are all ready? I am awesome, people, having my protein shake because I'm all healthy now. Good evening, people. Good evening. What's up? When people have tea and coffee, people like me have protein shakes. Getting it? That's how you stay fit, like me. Getting it? All right, so people, let's get started. So unfortunately, today we're going to be doing it on Mentimeter. So please join the Menti quiz. Go to www.menti.com and enter the code 67106760. Let's go, people. Let's go. Once you guys are in, let me know so that we can get started with the quizzes from magnetic effects of electric current. Now, once again, I have divided the questions into 3 different categories. We'll start with the easy ones, then we'll go to the moderate questions, and then our boy, the star of the evening, the hard ones. All right, so that's how it's going to be. Let's go. I know coffee is a lot more tastier, but it's not good for your health, no? Getting it? I'm all healthy. I eat green vegetables all the time. I'm like a human version of a cow. Getting it? The only thing that is missing in me is the 4 stomachs. They call us ruminant animals, no? Just that I don't have the 4 stomachs. I have only 1 stomach. But otherwise, I'm always eating green stuff, because I'm too cool for it. That's why. Hi, Dania. What's up? Don't take Menti. Sure. Don't worry. Discovery G, don't worry. I don't really watch IPL, but today I did watch Dhoni batting and he got out. I think he got 36 or 3. I don't know. I really don't understand how they have put up the font and all that, but I was watching the match today. It was versus CSK with someone else. I don't know the name of the team also. I know that they were wearing a red shirt. I know that much. They were wearing a red shirt. What is SRH? What is SRH? I have no idea what SRH is. Honestly, I don't watch cricket. I'm a big football fan. I really don't watch cricket. I know a lot of people would be hating me for that, but unfortunately, I'm more into football than into cricket. Because football's too cool. I do only cool stuff. Getting it? I'm too cool. Oh, Hyderabad. Okay. Sunrise. Oh, like neighbors only then. Neighbors only. All right. Let's see who wins. All right. So guys, I'll get started now. I'll give you another 30 seconds. I can see a lot of you guys are in right now. Please join the quiz. Go to www.menti.com, menti.com. Once you enter the website, they'll ask you for a code. The code to join today's quiz is 67106760. Once you guys are in, you guys can also take part in the quiz and shine like a diamond. All right, let's go. Yeah, is it? Awesome. Let's go. What is the premium version of Menti? Don't know, don't care, because we can't afford it. We is not afford it. We is too poor to afford it. So if anyone's here who's super rich, you can always sponsor us. We are always accepting funds from all sides. We are always there. All right, I'll give you my personal, GPay number also, so that you guys don't, so that I don't misuse the fund and you don't lose it. I'll properly use it in the right way to redecorate my entire house. To redecorate my entire house. I want to buy a duplex. So I is always open for funds. Please let me know. I can afford idli. Idli is also too costly now these days. Idli is like 40 rupees a plate. 40 rupees for 2 idlis. Too much. Alright. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to start the quiz then. All from magnetic effects of electric current. We'll get started. So here's the first question. The easy ones on your screens, people, right now. Let's go. The first question goes like this. Okay, everyone's in. I'm going to start the quiz. 9 questions in total I have in store for you people. So the first question, people, on your screen. The direction of magnetic field due to a current carrying straight conductor is given by which of these hand rules? Would it be Fleming's left hand rule, Fleming's right hand rule, right hand thumb rule, or left hand thumb rule? Which of these rules or hand rules would actually be applicable in order to find out the direction of the magnetic field in a straight current carrying conductor? A very simple question to start with. I'm pretty sure 100% of you guys would have given the right answer for this. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, touch wood, I'm guessing that you did. Here is your results. 29 of you guys. That is a good start, but is it the best? Absolutely not, because you know the answer for this. It's very straightforward. There's nothing to think about. It's one of the most easiest questions you can probably expect in your boards, with 78% of the class getting the right answer, with 11% going with option A and B. It's unfortunate, maybe some confusions there, but please get it corrected. If it's a straight current carrying conductor, then it's always going to be the right hand thumb rule. All right. So here is the second question, people. It's okay. Forget whatever happened. Regroup, reorganize your thoughts. And whoever's joining in right now, please join the quiz once again. Go to www.menti.com, menti.com, and once you enter in, they'll ask you for a code. The code for today's quiz in order to join this one is 67106760. You can see it right there, people. I'll also type it out in the chat box, so if you're just joining in right now, please join the quiz. It would be really nice to have you people also in. The more the merrier, they say. So please join the quiz. The code is right there. I've typed it. My name's Anoop, so you can see it over there. So you can copy paste the code and join the quiz immediately, so we can go ahead with the rest of the questions. All right. So shall we go on to the next one, people? Yes, sure, Simranji, sure. Little busy, but yeah, I'll get it done. Don't worry. All right. So moving on to the second question for the day, people. Have a look at this one. Pay attention, read it carefully, and then give your best. Choose the incorrect statement from the following regarding magnetic lines of field. Magnetic lines, field lines are closed curves. If magnetic field lines are parallel and equidistant, they represent zero field strength. Relative strength of magnetic field is degree of closeness of the field, or both A and B, 2 and 3 are incorrect. Which among the 4 statements is the incorrect one? Not the correct statement, but the wrong statement is the question. Again, pay attention to these smaller details and you will get it right. Done. Time's up. Let's have a look at the percentage once again. 25 of you guys got the right answer. Fantastic job, you guys. Fantastic. Not bad at all. Given the limited amount of time given, you guys have done a really good job with 58% of the class going with the right answer. Here and there, once again, going wrong, but that's all right. Happens, people. But please do remember this, that yes, the degree of closeness, that is, the more closer the magnetic field lines are, the more stronger the magnetic field. And if they are parallel and equidistant, that means that the magnetic field over there is uniform. It does not mean that the magnetic field is zero. It means that it's uniform. It's more spread out evenly. That is what it means. If they're all parallel and equidistant, that is what it means. And hence, option B is the wrong statement or the incorrect statement. Well done so far, guys. Not bad at all. Keep up the good job. Let's go and take a look at the third question now. Hello, Kushiji. What's up? Third question. 9 questions in total. So let's go ahead and look at the third question on your screens. Here it is. If you're just joining in right now, please join the Mentimeter quickly. Go to www.menti.com and enter the code 67106760. The question is, in an electric motor, to make the coil rotate continuously in the same direction, current is reversed in the coil after every half rotation by what? What changes the direction of current in our electric motor? Options are the carbon brushes, commutator, the slip rings, or the armature. Oh my God. All right. Okay, there's a slight bit of confusion here. All right. I knew it. I actually thought that, there will be a huger number going with option number C as the correct answer. Guys, it's the split ring. There's a difference between a split ring and a slip ring. Slip ring is something which is used in an AC generator, alternating current generator. Split ring is the one which is used in a motor. Split ring is also known as the commutator because it is helping in changing the direction of current. All right. So please pay attention. The smaller details, these tiny mistakes, that is what is going to cost you marks in your finals. So please pay attention. Slip ring is different. Split ring is different. Split ring is one ring which is split into two. Slip ring is where they have two different rings, both of which are continuously in contact with the carbon brushes. All right. So please don't get that wrong again. That slip ring is something which you find in a generator. Split ring, on the other hand, is what you have in a DC motor. All right. Yeah, leaderboard right after this one. Leaderboard right after this one. So the fourth question, people, almost halfway through. So let's take a look at the fourth question now. On your screens, people, once again, coming under the category of easy questions here. They have the fourth question on your screen. Direction of rotation of a coil in electric motor is determined by what? What is used? What hand rule is used to find out the direction of the rotation in an electric motor? Options are Fleming's right hand rule, Fleming's left hand rule, Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, or none of these things are used. 15 seconds. Let's go, guys. So magnetic field is more strong inside a solenoid or at the end of the solenoid? Inside the solenoid. See, in your NCRT, although it's given as at the ends, it's actually inside the solenoid. Why? Because if you look at the magnetic field lines, they're more compact and they're very close to each other. So inside the solenoid is the right answer. But again, in your NCRT, it is given as at the ends. So I would say please consult your teacher also once, your school teacher as well. Ask them what they believe is the correct answer. Because if you ask me, it's definitely inside the solenoid. And that is actually the correct answer also. But whether NCRT is going to accept the answer or not, whether the board is accept the answer, would be accepting this answer or not, is a question to be answered by the board itself. So let's see. Let's wait and watch. Make sure that you cross-check with the teacher as well. All right. Anyways, fantastic job. 30 of you guys got the right answer, with 3 people each going with Fleming's right hand rule and Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. But absolutely, guys, in an electric motor, we use Fleming's left hand rule in order to determine the direction of rotation. Whether it's going to rotate in anti-clockwise or clockwise is all decided by Fleming's left hand rule. All right. So yet another easy question, people. So that is the end of the easy questions, I believe. Here is your leaderboards at the end of those 4 questions. Take a look at those, people. We have Fab, Yash, fantastic, fabulous job, Yash ji. Second is Delcy. Third is Swati from class 9. Class 9, Swati. My God. Fourth is Ronit. Then we have the invincible Lincoln, always there. Then you have Shreya, Roy, Om Pandey, SRH fan. Good luck, da. Hope you win. Then you have Sakshi, followed by Arya Power. Congratulations. Well done, people. Fantastic, fantabulous job. 4 questions down. We have a lot of other questions to do as well. But so far, people, how are you guys enjoying the session so far? All good? Yes? Enjoying the session? If you are, give me a oh yeah in the chat box, people. Come on. Is it? Are, congrats, Ankita ji. Congratulations. Well done. Enjoying the session? Give me a oh yeah, people. Oh yeah. Now, if you guys have been enjoying the session so far, hit the like button now. What is this? Show some love. Show some appreciation. Sitting and talking for so many hours. Hit the like button. Come on. I'll give you guys 10 seconds. Hit the like button. Let's make it 50 likes. Target is 50. We have 41 people watching. Let's make it 50. And then we'll go on to the next question. Let's go. That's your homework for today. Hit the like button. Come on. Where is it? Come on, people. Come on. Let's go. Once you're done, then we'll go to the next question. Quickly. The faster you do it, the faster we can go to the next question. In the meantime, for all those who are in right now, who are joining us right now, please join the Mentimeter. Go to www.menti.com and enter the code 67106760. You can see that as the highlighted portion on the top corner on your screens. Please join the quiz because we are just entering into the moderate questions and then we'll go on to the hard ones as well. So you guys haven't missed a lot, but yes, take part in the quiz so that you guys can gain that confidence. All right, let's go, people. Sure, Taranji, sure, absolutely. Why not? All right, guys. So quickly hit the like button now. What is this? Huh? What is this, people? What is this? Sharam karo, sharam. Huh? I have to ask. That's the spirit, guys. I had to refresh the page. I was like, it was still stuck in 14. I had to refresh the page. I love you guys so much. Too much. All right, let's go to the moderate level questions now, people. So whoever's joining in right now, please join the quiz. We'll go on to the moderate questions now. It's going to get a little difficult, but not that difficult. Since magnetic effects is a chapter full of theory, it's quite easy for most of you guys. All right, so moderate level questions. Question number 1, that is in total the 5th question. Go ahead, take a look at this, read it carefully, and then answer. The question is, if the key of in the arrangement figure given below is taken out, the circuit is made open and the magnetic field lines are drawn over the horizontal plane ABCD. The lines are concentric circles, elliptical in shape, straight lines parallel to each other due to Earth's magnetic field, concentric circles near point O and of elliptical shape as we go from I. So I don't know if you guys can see the picture right there. You see that there's a cardboard sheet and it looks like a straight current carrying conductor. There are 2 variable resistors, or also known as rheostats. There's a ammeter, you have a battery, and the key is also given. There's also a small compass that you can see that is placed on this cardboard sheet. If you were to open the circuit, what would be the case? All right. Okay. Okay, that is clearly the wrong answer. One sec, people. One sec, guys. One sec. Let me just take a look at the question because I'm not able to see the diagram at all. Just give me 1 second. Let me just take a look at the question. I'm not able to see the question at all. One sec, guys. One sec. It's yeah. I know. Exactly. That's what. It should be option number C. I have to get it corrected. Just give me 1 second. I'll just, 1 sec. I'll just take a look at the question first. Just give me 1 second, people. Small mistake. Tiny little mistake. होता है जी, होता है. ऐसा सब कुछ होता है. It should be, yes, concentric circles. All right, done. Happy now? Happy? 1 sec. Let me just take a look at the question first. It's a straight current carrying conductor. All right, yes, guys. It's obviously concentric circle. I'm really sorry for that. Small mistake happens there. It's all a part of life. All right, in life you have to, there's ups and downs, there's humps and everything. All right, happens. So chill out. Don't start throwing rotten eggs and all. It's okay. All right. It says 1 sec. One sec, guys. Let me just cross check this question. There's a lot of confusion here. 1 sec, people. 1 sec. Let me just cross check this question. I'm not able to read it at all. It's so tiny that I'm not able to read it at all. Just give me 1 second. Let me just try to enlarge. Oh, too much. Okay, yes. 1 sec. I'm not able to read the question, for God's sake. I didn't get much time to, see this question also. 1 sec. All right. See, guys, it's a straight current carrying conductor. So even if you turn off the switch, eventually the magnetic field lines would actually shrink. It's going to decrease. So it's going to be concentric circle itself, which is going to decrease slowly, right? So it has to be option by A. But let me get this corrected once. All right. If it is wrong, if this answer is wrong, then I'll come back again. In the sense, I'll be putting up a YouTube short, or on my Telegram or my Instagram, I'll be putting this up, the correct answer, whatever it is. For now, I'm going to go with option number number B, or sorry, option number A. Let's see if there's something, because I'm not able to read the question at all at this point of time. Let me just take a look at the question properly, and once again I'll come back to it. All right, so don't worry about it. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, you can follow me over there. I'll be putting up the right answer over there. All right, please let me just look at the question at least, because I'm not able to see it. It's very, very small, and my eyesight is very, very strong. Yeah, I have a very good eyesight. All right, so let me look at the question first, and then I'll come back to you. Don't worry. Is there? No. Why fear when Anoop is here? Don't worry. All right, let's go on to the sixth question, guys. Let's go on to the sixth question now. The sixth question, don't worry, again, the moderate question. Please ignore the previous one. We'll get that corrected. We'll get it sorted. Here's one. Finally, something that I can read. If we double the number of turns in a current carrying coil, keeping the current and the radius of the coil unchanged, what happens to the magnetic field at its center? Would the magnetic field become 4 times? Would it become doubled? Would it remain unchanged? Or would it become half? Let's go. So, but as we go away from the magnetic field, it'll still be concentric circle only, right? It'll still be, because it's a straight current carrying conductor, it'll still be concentric circles. It's not going to be elliptical at all. But again, I am not able to see the circuit as a whole. I am not even sure what is I don't know if that is a compass or what it is. I am not able to see it. I'm not able to see the diagram, and I don't have it. It's on Menti. If I like try to zoom in, you saw what happened. The page gets zoomed in, not the photo. So I'll get it corrected. Don't worry. All right, don't worry. Is there? No, why fear? Anyways, 25 of you guys got the right answer for this one. Absolutely correct, people. See, it's very simple. If you want to increase, if you remember, Lorentz force is something which you've learnt in your lower grades, in your chapter, that F is equal to BIL. That is force. Lorentz force is proportional to the magnetic field. Lorentz force is directly proportional to the current. Lorentz force is also directly proportional to the length of the conductor. So if you double the length, if you double the number of turns, you're increasing the length of the conductor. So if you increase the length of the conductor, obviously the magnetic field would also be far more stronger. It's only going to get stronger. So it's going to get doubled. If you increase the length by twice, the magnetic field is also going to get increased by twice. All right. Seventh question, guys, the last moderate level question, after which we will be entering into the harder ones. All right, the last moderate level question on your screen, after which we will be taking a look at the leaderboards as well. So here's the question. A current carrying conductor carries a current from west to east. What will be the direction of magnetic field at a point above it? Would it be from north to south? Would it be from south to north? Would it be from east to west? Or would it be from west to east? A current carrying conductor carries a current from west to east direction. What will be the direction of magnetic field at a point above it? If you're seeing from above, would it be from north to south? Would it be from south to north? Would it be from east to west? Or would it be from west to east? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay. Sure. The questions, I honestly speaking, guys, I didn't really get to see these questions before I came in. Otherwise, I would have at least enlarged the image itself. I really didn't get time to prepare for this because it was a last minute plan. So let me go through that one question, get it corrected, and I will share it with you guys on my Instagram for sure. All right, don't worry. Anyways, 23 of you guys got the right answer for this, with north to south as the right answer, with 23 getting the right answer, 12 with a small confusion, because of which you guys went with option number B. Option C was chosen by 6 and option D was chosen by 1. A beautiful little staircase from 23 to 12 to 6 to 1. Wonderful. Excellent to look at, and excellent score also. Now, how do you find this? See, guys, your current carrying conductor is conducting the current from west to east, that is from your left to your right. So all you have to do is use Maxwell's right and thumb rule. All you have to do is hold the conductor in such a way that the thumb is pointing from west to east direction. So if you look at your fingers, when you see from the top, if you look at the fingertips, your nails are going from south to north. This is south, this is north. So you can see that it's basically in this direction. It's basic. So when you see from the top, you can see that the magnetic field is going from north to south. So this fingertip is the one that is showing the direction. So you can see that it's going in. You see, when you see from the top, it's going like this. So north to south would be the answer. All right. So again, it's all about where your fingertips are, because that is the one that is showing the direction of magnetic field. So all you have to do is look into that. So if you see from the bottom, see, the thing is this. If you see from the bottom, it looks like it's going from south to north. All right. If you see from the bottom, if the question was, if the person is seeing from the bottom, then it would have been from south to north because your fingertips are at the bottom. So it's going from south to north. But when you see from the top, it's from north to south. All right. So this is north, this is south, east, west. Your right is your east, your left is your west. Make sense, people? So it's all about that. You have to look at your fingertips, find out the direction, and then go with the right answer. So in this particular one, since they're saying that you're seeing from the top, it's going to be from north to south. All right. So that will be the right answer for this question. It's all right. Small mistakes, but get it corrected because you need to be very, very sure about the hand rules because for sure you'll have questions from them. So the better you're prepared, the more easier it's going to get, when you approach your exams. Nonetheless, the leaderboard slight changes. Rohit in the first, now second is Lincoln. Again, well done, buddy. The fastest to answer the previous question. Then it's Delcy on the third. Fantastic, Then it's Shreya on the fourth. Awesome. Now, Yash from the first to the fifth position, Roy on the 6th, Sakshi on the 7th, from the 10th position to the 7th position. Well done, Sakshi. Then it's Om, who was, I believe, in the 6th and now has come down to 8th. Akash and then Rashi. Welcome to the leaderboard, the rock star. Fantastic job, guys. Fantastic job. And that, my friends, is the end of the moderate level questions. So, people, all good so far? Yeah? All excellent? Everything okay? Everything okay? Yes? So far, so good? Yeah, give me a oh yeah in the chat box if you guys have feeling a little bit more confident than you came in. Yes, I want to see the level of confidence. All good? Yes, give me a oh yeah in the chat box, people. Quickly. I want to see the Josh because I don't want to see the Josh die. Come on. Yes, that is the spirit. Yes, that's it, my boys and girls. That's the spirit. Now, the final villain is here. Have you guys ever played Mario? Super Mario? Super Mario, there's a villain, no? The last villain. This is the last stage. Or if you've played Contra, the game, this is the last stage. All right? The hard questions. So get ready. Look at that. Look at the title. Hard. All right? Full Josh. All right? Let's go. The last two questions, people. The first one. Second last question. Never played her. What is this? What is this? Huh? What childhood days you had? Mario was the best game. All right, 8th question. Here we go. The question is, a constant current flows in a horizontal wire in a plane of paper from east to west direction as shown in the figure. At which point the direction of magnetic field will be from north to south, directly above the wire, directly below the wire, at a point located in the plane of paper on the north side of wire, at a point located on the paper on the plane of the paper on the south side of the wire. So remember, guys, here the current is going from east to west, not from west to east. It's very similar to the question that we just did. All you have to figure out is you have to find out from which point of view would you be getting the magnetic field direction as north to south. That is the only thing. All right. It's the same as what we did before. The only difference here is that the direction of current is slightly changed from east to west rather than from west to east. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Come on. All right. So let's go, people. And in the meantime, people, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button as well. Show us some love. Show some appreciation. All right. So here is the thing. Just because the previous answer was directly above the wire, that is from the top, again, you guys chose the same answer. Tell me honestly, how many of you guys went with option number A, just because the previous answer that we did, which was very similar to this, was also option number A. Tell me honestly, people. Don't lie, don't lie. Telling you. That's why I mentioned that the current's direction this time is going from east to west. So again, east to west is the direction of current now. East to west is the direction of current. So when you see from the top, it's going from south to north. When you see from the top, it's going from south to north. But when you see from the bottom, it's going from north to south. So below the wire, again, people, please remember this. It's slightly confusing. I understand that it's slightly confusing. All you have to do is figure out or look at your nails, the direction of your nails, in what way they are. So when you see from the bottom, it looks like it's going from north to south. north to south, because if you look at the direction again, I'll just draw this and show it to you guys so that you understand a little better. Before, let me just I'll just before I tell you about all this Drona Reloaded and all, let me just tell you how to. Okay, unfortunately I can't write on this. Just give me a second, guys. Let me just download this. Until then, see my beautiful face. Yeah, one sec. Let me just download this and let me just write on it, because it makes more sense if I were to write it and show it so that you understand what I'm trying to say here, because it's slightly confusing. It's ever so slightly confusing, but it's actually quite simple. Once you understand it, it can actually get very simple. So listen carefully, guys. I'll just write it down over here. So the direction of current is going in this direction. It's going from east to west. That is from your right hand side to your left hand side. So when you look at the magnetic field, see, when you see from the top, it is going like this from south to north. But when you see from the bottom, it looks like it's going from, again, it's the same direction, but this time it looks like it's going from north to south. All right. So you need to look at the direction of the current. You have to look at the direction of current and then figure out and then guess what will be the direction. Okay. Sorry. My bad. I was writing all this stuff and then, yeah. So this is, so sorry guys, you were looking at my beautiful face and I forgot to show you the actual thing that I was working on. Really sorry. I forgot to show you the slide itself because my face is so beautiful. No. Anyways, so here's the thing, guys. So when you see from the top, it looks like it's going from south to north, and when you see from the bottom, it looks like it's going from north to south. So this is how you figure out in what direction the magnetic field is going to be. All right, it's very, very important that you understand this, because for sure you'll have questions like this in your boards. So the better you are, getting used to these kind of questions, the easier it gets in your exams. All right, guys, are you people ready for the last question? Give me a oh yeah in the chat box, people. Give me a full Josh wala oh yeah. Last question. Because after this, it is going to be the final leaderboard. Let's go. Come on. Yes. That's the spirit. Let's go. Question number 9. Full seriousness. Here we go. An electron is moving towards east in the magnetic field acting vertically downwards. So the electron is deflected towards into the page, out of the page, up or down. Let's go. 40 seconds. An electron is moving towards east direction and there's a magnetic field which is acting downwards, vertically downwards. So in what direction the electron is going to get deflected towards? Into the page, out of the page, up, or is it going to be down? It's all right, Kalash. It's all right. What's up, Kalash? Long time no see, buddy. How you doing? Arunji. All right. Let's see. Yes. I'm not able to see your chat. I have to keep refreshing for some reason. And yes, guys, before you guys leave, do not forget to hit the like button. And before I show you the leaderboard, I have some super duper amazing news to share, to remind you guys one more time. So do not leave yet, because there's something more left. You're not done yet. 15 of you guys went with the right answer with into the page. Let's try to find out how to do this, guys. It's very simple. Just pay attention to the question. The electron is moving towards east direction. So you have to use Fleming's left-hand rule here, because they're talking about Lorentz force, right? So electron is moving from east towards east direction. That is shown by your middle finger. If electron is moving towards east direction, what will be the direction of current then? If electron is moving towards east direction, what will be the direction of current? This is where majority go wrong. What will be the direction of current here? Quickly in the chat box. If an electron is moving towards east direction, what would be the direction of current? Would it be still towards east, or would it be towards north, south, or west? Think, guys, think. Exactly. It will be towards west. Why? Because conventional current is what we always take. So current is going towards west direction now. Magnetic field is towards downwards direction. So, okay, guys, wrong answer given. Electron is wrong answer. It should be it should be out of the page. It should be out of the page. All right, it should be out of the page, not into the page, because Electron is moving towards east, which means the current is going towards a west direction. Magnetic field is vertically downwards, right? It's vertically downwards. So it is pointing towards you. It is actually out of the page. It's not into the page. My bad, guys. It's again a wrong answer over here. Really sorry for this. Again, guys, like I told you, I didn't have enough time to do proofreading and all that because the session was actually decided in the last minute. So sorry for that, but it should be out of the page, not into the page. All right. Yeah, exactly. It'll be out of the page. Exactly, guys. It'll be out of the page because see, always look at the direction of current. When you talk about current is always going to be in the opposite direction of electron. Since electron is moving towards east, your current will be towards west. The magnetic field is going downwards, vertically downwards. So your force on the conductor or force on the electron, or it'll be deflected out of the page and not into the page. All right. All right. So that will be the answer. That will be the answer. Not into the page, it will be out of the page. Please remember, see, the difference is this, guys. If in case they are told it is a proton, instead of electron, if they're told a proton, then you could have taken the same direction. But since they are mentioning electron over here, it will actually be towards the opposite direction. The current will be in the opposite direction. Magnetic field acting downwards. So the force on the current carrying conductor, which is shown by your thumb, will be towards you. All right. All right. Yeah, it'll be deflecting towards you. Deflection. That is what is force. No. What is deflection? Something about force on the current carrying conductor. No. Or force on the conductor. All right. That is what is deflection. All right. Okay. Anyways, we'll get it sorted. Whatever the confusion is, we'll get it sorted. Don't worry about it. We'll get it sorted. Whatever is the confusion, we'll get it sorted. But yeah, the answer should have been option number B itself. Let's get it corrected. If there's a mistake, we'll definitely look into it and get it corrected, guys. Don't worry. If there is a mistake, I'll make sure I'll come up front and I'll get it corrected, or I'll release it as a YT shot and on my Telegram also, on Instagram also I'll put it up. So don't worry, if it is wrong from my side, I'll definitely get it corrected. Don't worry. All right. So yes, with that said, people, don't worry. Again, if there is a mistake from my end, I'll make sure that it's corrected. We'll not leave any stones unturned. If it's a mistake from my side, we'll make sure that's corrected. Don't worry about that. All right. But yes, guys, before we get into the final leaderboard, guys, I have to tell you one thing which is very, very important. Again, for all the students who are still looking for a revision plan, who are still stuck in a place where you want to revise but you're not really sure where to start, or you're still looking for questions to revise from, this is your final opportunity, the last call for you guys out there, where we'll be doing the Drona relaunch for one last time, where you would be getting in-class doubt solving, live sessions with quizzes, hotspots, polls, milestones, as well as leaderboards for just a mere price of 990 rupees until the end of your examination. The last set of revisions would be starting this month in the next couple of days. So if you're still looking for a place where you want to get your revisions done in a really, really good manner for you to score that 95%, please do not miss this opportunity for all of you guys out there. Now, if you want to know more about this, you can see a message that you see at the bottom. There's a WhatsApp number given over there. All you have to do is this: send your name. Send to that WhatsApp message that my name is so and so. I want to join the family of 9th standard or 10th standard, whatever. If you're moving from 8 to 9, then it's 9th standard. If you're in 10th standard, then put it as 10th standard. If you're passed it, you're confident about 10th standard and you want to move to JEE or NEET, you want to start your preparation for 11th and 12th, you can put that, your grade, and then you can send this text, the name of the teacher that I am texting after watching so-and-so teacher's name. If it's me, then put it as Anoop Manoharan and send that message to that WhatsApp number. You will be getting the complete information about these sessions, the whole info, everything would be getting over there. This is for both students who are moving from 9th to 10th, and from 10th to 11th standard who are prepared with your 10th standard but you want to start preparation for your 11th and 12th, this is for you guys as well. Now you guys know that the prices of this 11th and 12th JEE preparation has been dropped to a massive extent. See, where once upon a time, about 2 years ago, the same JEE NEET course was sold for about 65,000 rupees. Now it is being sent, or it has been given to you guys at just 15,000 rupees with the inclusion of technology through AI live sessions, augmented live sessions. You will be getting an opportunity to do your entire JEE preparation, entire NEET preparation, and we are talking about 2 years of your course. The next 2 years, 11th, 12th and JEE or NEET preparations for just 15,000 rupees with AI Live. Plus, you'll also be getting the doubt solving app for just 20,000 rupees. Again, we are talking about the next 2 years. It's not for 1 year, people. Please remember, it's not for 1 year. I am talking about the next 2 years for just 15,000 rupees. And if you use my coupon code AMEPRO, you would actually get it for 13,500. 13,500 rupees for the next 2 years is what we are offering for the next 2 years of your life, people, to change your life completely. Again, our intention has been very simple, very straightforward from the start, to provide quality education for the most cheapest price possible, for the most affordable price possible, so that each and every student, no matter from what background they are, no matter from what state, from what country, from what village or town they are from, or what 3-tier, 2-tier, it really doesn't matter. Everyone must get quality education, because right to education is one of the fundamental rights, and we believe in it, and we are sticking to our words, and we are trying our very best. No, we have done our best, not trying. We have done our best to drop it down to a price which is affordable by every student in this country. All right. So the choice is yours, people. But I would say this: do not miss this opportunity, because it's valid for a very short amount of time, after which it'll go back again to the same price as it was before. Once again, all you have to do is send your name, your grade, what grade you want to get into, and the teacher's name. Send it to this WhatsApp number that you see at the bottom, or you can see it over here also. It's 89511833703. You can see it in the bottom as well. You can see it as a scroll down. So change your life forever. All right. So that's it from my side, guys. That's all. All the very best of luck. Yes, by the way, the leaderboards. I know. Before you guys scold me, this is the final leaderboards for today's session, guys. Fantastic job. I believe Ronit is the winner. I know the last couple of questions were a little confusing. So that's okay, because those are meant to be a little hard. But no. I wasn't expecting this, but fantastic, Sakshi. Super amazing. Sakshi Kesarwani. Super amazing, I mean, fantastic job. I remember that when I saw the first leaderboard, she was in the 10th position, and now she's on the top. Can we have a big round of applause for Sakshi, guys? Can we have a big round of applause for Sakshi for amazing resilience to make it to the top, even from the bottom? Super duper amazing. Second is Ronit. Third is Invincible Lincoln. Then we have Roy. I'm not able to read the next two names. And we have Akash, Rakshi the Rockstar, Vedika, who has just moved to 10th standard. All the very best of luck, Vedika. You're doing a fantastic job. And Yash, who is in the first position. It's like a overturn. First to last, last to first. Fantastic job. Fantastic job. So that's it, guys. That's it. So part 1 of what are you guys asking now? Part 1 of that? I see the revision would be happening, but again, we are not really sure, I think physics would be taken up by Abhishek sir, if I'm not wrong, for Drona Reloaded. So again, you're getting the best of the best. So use it and for a very, very nominal price, for just $9.90, you're getting a fantastic job. All right, fantastic opportunity to study with the best. So that's it from my side, guys. The link is all given in the description. The WhatsApp number is given right in the scroll down. You can take a screenshot of this or note it down and send a message. You'll be getting more information because you need to talk to your parents, because 13,000 is still a lot of money. So talk to your parents. Please send a message to the counselor. They'll call you up. They would give you the details about it. They will actually talk to your parents also, and then you can make that decision for the next step. All right, so that's it from my side, people. So take care. I am awesome, Kailash. How are you doing? I hope you're doing good too. Please see sure. The 2 questions that I've noted down, I will definitely check through that, and I will give you the right answer on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is people Anoop_Vedantu. I'm very much active over there, so I'll be putting up a video of that over there. Please check it out, because I'm not able to see the question. I need some time to look at the question, because I'm not able to see the picture itself. The picture is so small, it's so tiny. I'm not able to see it, so I'll just go through it once, and then I'll put it up today itself. I'll try to put it up today itself, right? So catch you guys later. Take care. All the very best of luck. See you soon. Enjoy yourself. Have a fantastic day. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. See you soon. Take care. Peace out. Adios. Bye. Catch you guys later. Take care. See you soon. Take care.